Here we are on our boat cruise right now in the harbour of Malaga. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful scene, beautiful scenery. Just coming out of the harbour, just starting this 1 hour boat trip. Looking forward to it. Absolutely superb, beautiful day. It's the 10th of November 2025 and it's 24 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Fahrenheit. You can't beat it. We're just coming out of the harbour here. As I say, we're going to go out for an hour out in the Mediterranean, if you like. The beach is just around the corner. This is the marina right here. Absolutely beautiful marina as well. Got people from Canada right here, from Montreal. Speak French and English. Absolutely beautiful. I have a YouTube channel. Look at the lighthouse, isn't it lovely? Beautiful lighthouse. We'll zoom in here a little bit, folks. The beach is just beyond the lighthouse right there. Lovely, lovely beach. Real long strand. It's lovely. Lots of cruise ships in here. And some yachts. And obviously tour boats. Stunning along the coast here of... Sorry, boss. Just perfect conditions for a boat ride here in Malaga. I'll take another video a little later on, folks, but this is it for now.